Fudge. Materials: 1½ tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 square of chocolate, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Way of preparing: melt butter in a granite pan. Add sugar, milk, and molasses, stirring gently until sugar is dissolved. Boil slowly without stirring for 5 minutes. Add the chocolate square and stir until it's melted. Boil again until a little of the mixture dropped in cold water seems brittle. Take from the range, add vanilla, beat until it begins to thicken, then pour into a buttered pan. Cool and mark into squares.